At this time tomorrow, there's something you need to know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my 2026 Valentine's Clean and Decorate. We're starting out here in the kitchen. I actually finished up my bedroom in last week's video, so I'll link that video down below. But our bedroom is very cozy for the Valentine's Day holiday. And now we're in the kitchen. I'm just wiping everything down with my new Mrs. Meyer's Rose Scented Multi-Surface Spray. It smells so good. And then once we get everything wiped down, we're going to pull out all of our decor. I went shopping last year and I did a massive Valentine's Day decorations haul. It was so good. HomeGoods had the best Valentine's decor last year, so we found so many really cute things. So I'm just using what I got last year, and then I'm also just going to run to the store and pick up some fresh Valentine's candy, a couple candles, things like that. But other than that, we had everything we needed, and we're just going to use all of our decor in fresh spaces this year to kind of make it feel new and fresh. So let's start by wiping everything down. I'm going to clean up my stovetop with some Barkeeper's Friend and get all the little marks off. I am absolutely loving my little lamp there. It's got a glass shade on it. I found that at Target, and then shortly after I tried to link it for y'all and it was already sold out. It sold out so fast, but I will check again, and if it is in stock, I'll link it down below. And then that little coffee cup that y'all saw me use at the beginning of the video, I always love to have my iced coffee in those glasses. They're so fun. I found those at Target recently too, so if those are in stock, I'll link those below as well. Anything that you see that you might want to shop, I'll try to start linking. I'm trying to be better about that now more than ever. I've always been really bad about linking stuff. Now that we got the stovetop cleaned up, I'm going to just go in with some Sprayway and shine it up, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the kitchen. I kind of consider this part of my kitchen my little coffee bar area. I have my Keurig here, and it's just like a cozy corner to come to in the morning. So I wanted it to be really simple and clutter-free, but also very cute and festive for Valentine's Day. I added a little cutting board, and I love red gingham for Valentine's Day. And then I found that cute little food truck or cupcake balloon truck, whatever it is, at HomeGoods last year, and I saw them again this year. They are so cute. They have so many different versions. And then I, of course, just added a little flower arrangement, a little teddy bear cup, and a sparkly heart there by the coffee maker. And then over here on the other side of our air fryer, I'm just adding a pitcher with some baby's breath. I love this pitcher so much. I think it's my favorite pitcher that I've ever owned. So cute with the gingham and the hearts. And then I added another little sparkly heart right there. And then up here on this corner cabinet, I'm just going to add a big sparkly heart. And then to our wreath above the microwave, I'm just adding another red gingham ribbon. I absolutely love that red gingham at Valentine's Day. I feel like it's a fresh take on all of the red after Christmas. I'm kind of sick of all the red velvet ribbons after Christmas, but the red gingham gives like a fresh spring take. It reminds me of like a picnic tablecloth. Over on the other side of the stove, I'm just going to add a fresh white pitcher with some white tulips. Tulips are my flower of the season. I love bringing out all the tulips after Christmas is over. It's like a very fresh, springy feel. And I'm going to add a pink sparkly heart here with another red gingham ribbon wrapped around all of my spoons. I added a red rubber scraper there, and then just some twinkle pink heart lights. I believe I got those at either Hobby Lobby or HomeGoods, probably Hobby Lobby. And then we, of course, just have our red candle on this stovetop. Right next to the sink, I added our Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, dish soap, and hand soap, along with some pink tulips from HomeGoods. And that wooden tray is actually from Kirkland's. I've been loving that next to my sink to set all my soaps on. And now that we have the countertops taken care of, I'm just going to go through and use Sprayway to shine up all of our appliances. I'm going in with my MOVA vacuum to vacuum and mop at the same time. I love this thing. I use it on a daily basis. I almost have to with Annie Kate. She makes the biggest messes. She is so much fun, but she gets places so fast before I can go behind her and pick everything up. She loves markers and crayons and paint and Play-Doh, and she loves dumping out food. She is one crazy girl, but our floors are always a mess now, and so I have to use this as a daily upkeep, or else our floors are just absolutely destroyed. So I'll link this down below too. It is definitely a daily necessity in a home if you have toddlers. So good. So we're going to go through and use this to clean up the kitchen floor. I'm also going to lay out a red rug here in just a second. I like to use this red plaid rug at Christmas and at Valentine's Day, and then at spring we'll switch back to our everyday rug in the kitchen. There was a couple things that I almost forgot to add. My pink and red striped hand towel, my little love sign that I got from Hobby Lobby years ago. I just put that up above the stove, and then our little heart pot. I like to use that for soups and for chili all throughout February. So that was really cozy, and now we're going to go in and add our red gingham rug. I think I got this from Home Goods. This was years ago. I've had it for a long time. I use it at Christmas and Valentine's Day. And then once Valentine's Day is over, we'll switch back to our everyday kitchen rug. But I love the red touches in the kitchen. Very cozy, very fun. And now we're headed over to the kitchen nook area where we eat dinner. I'm going to decorate the hutch a little bit, just with a few things here and there, nothing crazy. I got that little Valentine's Christmas tree last year at Home Goods, and this year I looked at it and I was like, I'm not such a fan of that anymore, but I'm going to go ahead and use it one more year in the hutch, and then I'll probably get rid of that one. The little heart ramekins are so cute, and then I just added a little red vase with a flower. That little pom-pom heart wreath above the hutch is from Michael's last year, and I absolutely love that. Like I said, I went crazy with the Valentine's decorations last year. We went shopping hardcore after Christmas because I actually kept my Christmas trees up for all of February last year, and we just decorated to the nines for Valentine's Day. So I'll link that video down below too in case you missed it and you need some Valentine's inspiration. It is already the week of Valentine's Day, which is crazy. Normally I feel like January just is so slow, but this year it flew by. And then, of course, here in the middle of the kitchen table, I had to add some Valentine's candy, just some basic Valentine's kissies. And then I added some flowers to our little pot because we had taken all of our pine stems out from Christmas, a little heart frame with my babies in it. And Will actually extended our table into like an oval shape. I'm going to put it back into a circle. This is the next day. I went ahead and did the vac mop in here the night before, and then this is the next morning. I went ahead and I was in a fresh outfit, so that's why I look totally different right here. But we're going to continue on. We're going to do the living room today, and I'm just going to pop this table back into a circle real quick. It fits this space better, and I feel like it collects less clutter when it's smaller. My kids paint and color right here, and if it's big, there's just way more paints and colors everywhere. We're going to go ahead and open up the windows for some sunshine, and now we're headed into the living room. I went ahead and moved our propane heater out. We had a big snow and ice storm, so we had to have that on hand. Luckily, we didn't have to use it. And then that trash bag you saw was a big bag of toys that I'm going to donate from Oliver's room. He is overrun with toys right now, so we're trying to declutter and organize in his room. I'll be sharing lots more of that in my spring cleaning videos. But now I'm just going in with my Rose multi-surface spray, and we're going to wipe everything down in the living room and do a little bit of decorating in here.
Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat.
Here on the craft cabinet, I'm just adding a simple candy dish with some Valentine's M&Ms, a candle, and then over on the other side I have some little faux cupcakes from Home Goods. I love those. I think they're so cute. And that little pink candle holder pedestal thing I've had for years. I think I got it at TJ Maxx way back in the day. And then over here on the TV stand, I'm going to go ahead and move all of our computers and wipe it all down with my Rose spray. I got a Valentine's wallpaper on the TV, and we're going to turn on all the lamps to make it extra cozy. Whenever I'm working in a space, I like all of the lamps on. It just gives for a softer glow. And so we're going to do that. And then here on the front of the TV stand, I actually used these same garlands on the TV stand last year, but I loved them so much, so I had to go ahead and do that again. We have a pink and red and white and gold pom-pom one, and then just a regular red felt heart one. So I'm going to pop some command hooks up there and get those, and I just think this turned out so cute with the wallpaper and the garland. And then here in a minute, I'm also going to add some stacked books with a candle on the TV stand. Originally for this video, I had planned to share a really delicious soup recipe with y'all in my cute little heart pot. It was zuppa toscana, but we ended up making it and not caring for it too much, so I decided to share this instead because I've been making this on repeat for lunch every day, and I figured if you wanted to do it like a date night in with your husband or your boyfriend or whoever you're spending Valentine's Day with this year, I have just been using the basic chicken ramen noodles, making them like usual, putting their little powder packet in there. I know these aren't super healthy for you, but if you just do it every now and then, it's really delicious. You can add whatever you want to it, but I've been adding green onion, soft boiled eggs, and then some sriracha, along with some red pepper flakes, sometimes some parsley and pepper, and this is just so delicious. It hits every single time, and this would be such a fun meal to have if you're like watching a movie on the couch or just having like a really downplayed Valentine's Day. Will and I are actually going to get to go out to dinner this year because my mom's going to watch my kids, which is really fun. Last year we did a Valentine's Day in and made steaks. This year we're going out and we're going to do something really fun. But anyways, if you're going to have a Valentine's Day in this year, highly recommend doing ramen. You could even make your own homemade ramen if you don't want the unhealthy little powder packets. But I've been making this for lunch a lot here lately, and I absolutely love it. My sister loves it too. So I wanted to share that with y'all. But now we're back in the living room. I had to add some red gingham ribbon to our little TV stand garland, and then I'm just adding my cute little cowboy boot pillow that I picked up last year at Home Goods. It's got hearts on it. It's very cute. Over there in the chair in the corner. And then here on the TV stand, I said I was going to add some stacked books with a candle, so that's what I'm doing here. And this sweet pea and garden candle from Hobby Lobby is incredible. If you love a really good floral scented candle, this one is like sweet floral. It smells so good. Highly recommend. But I'm loving the way that our living room's coming together. I'm just going to go over here to our little end table, wipe it down, we'll decorate that, and then we'll add some really fun throw pillows to the couch.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
For the end table over there, I just added a little pot of pink faux tulips. Those are from Home Goods, I believe. Very cute. And then for the couch, I used my heart pillows on my bed this year. So for the couch, I'm just going to use my fur pillows along with my cute little floral pattern pillows from Kirkland's. And then I'm just going to pop a red one on either side to add a pop of Valentine's Day. And then I'm also going to add a red throw pillow here in the middle of the couch. And I love how cozy our living room turned out this year. Our kitchen and our living room just feel so fun for Valentine's Day. Our bedroom feels really fun too. Maybe I'll pop a little clip of our bedroom here at the end of the video in case you don't have time to watch that video. But I'll also link that video down below if you want to check it out. But I hope y'all all have a super happy Valentine's Day. Have fun. Stay safe. Love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright.